Hey there, Brett. Hey there, Christine. It's Cassidy on Wednesday morning. Ben and I are here inspecting and checking things out at the house. First time here. It's beautiful, I gotta say. Good choice. You guys do great work. So I know you wanted a floor plan. I'll try to do a very quick walkthrough with you so you can have this for a reference for remodeling or whatever it is you guys want to use it for. So here we are in the living room. Front door's right there. Everything pretty straightforward, at least on this part of the main floor. I'll walk back towards the kitchen. Recessed area leading to the porch, backyard. I'm assuming that most of what you want to know is kind of like, you know, where the rooms are in relationship to one another, which walls are adjacent, so that you can consider knocking things down and expanding for dad and that kind of a thing. So as far as this main living area, what you see is what you get, pretty straightforward. Let's kind of go back to where all the bedrooms are here. Closet, step to the stairs, but then mainly I think probably what you're trying to get an idea of in your heads is how these bedrooms are in relationship to one another. So if you go left, got your primary bed in here, which leads to the attached bathroom. Everything is kind of contained on this side of the house. If you were to continue back, you'd sort of border that wall that is adjacent to the backyard. So if this is going to be your bedroom, there's not too many bordering walls. However, when we start going this way, and this is maybe what you have in mind for dad, bordering that other side of your master bed would be this secondary bedroom with its window to the neighbor's yard and the side yard, as well as this closet space, which again connects to this other bed. So you sort of have one boom, 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 bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. And I don't know what you had in mind in terms of maybe renovating that or expanding that for your dad, but they kind of just run right into each other. A little bit of recession here as the closet borders the other wall. And then there's some space right here, which I think accommodates the closet in the other bed, the second bed. Bathroom, of course, across the hallway, which leads us into the laundry room, mudroom, and the 3-car garage. I will talk to you separately about this, but I did look to see if there were some leftover shingles from maybe, you know, if and when the roof was last repaired. Couldn't find any. I found some tiles, actually those tiles specifically, for the bathroom in there, but nothing along the line of shingles. So unfortunately, we don't have that information yet. Quick downstairs look. And again, if there's Ben doing his thing, if you veer left, we're directly beneath the 3 bedrooms in a row. So the main sort of basement den area with your egress windows are all sort of along this side of the house that is below the 3 bedrooms. So right now we're kind of standing below master bed and then the 2 bedrooms that lead us kind of towards back where the mudroom meets the garage. So if we continue on back towards standing beneath the master bed, we have the unfinished area. By the way, the sewer guys were here this morning and did their thing, and from the sounds of it, everything ran out to the street and looked clean and looked great. So here's your furnace and HVAC situation back there. And if we continue on, this is more or less us standing beneath the kitchen and the living room. So right now, this extra bed down here, which is adjacent to the hallway, it doesn't really connect to any room. Just this added like sort of workspace here. We're kind of now under the kitchen for your reference. And then as we walk back towards what would be like the front part of the house, front door being above us, there's this additional bed, water main, and the bathroom downstairs. And again, for reference, we're kind of towards the front of the house now at this point in terms of what's above us. So hopefully that is helpful. Little storage space under the stairs. Hopefully that was helpful for you in terms of getting an orientation of where the walls are in relationship to one another, in particular everything upstairs with Dad's situation and accommodating him in those secondary bedrooms. So if you need anything additionally, I'll be at the house for a little while. I'm going to upload this to YouTube for you so you can check it out, and I will report back to you this afternoon with whatever we figure out here during inspection. So things are moving. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon.